Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the Windows 10 store apps are not downloading or stuck on pending. So this can be definitely an annoying issue, and without further ado I'm going to try and show you guys a workaround for this. So we're going to jump into it by opening up the Start menu. And into the Start menu you want to type in Windows PowerShell. Best match will come back with Windows PowerShell right above Desktop App. You want to right click on it and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device, left click on Yes. Now I'm going to have something pasted in the description of my video. I want you to copy it, and I want you to go up to the top of this Windows PowerShell window, right click on it, this top white bar, left click on Edit, and then left click on Paste. Once you pasted it in, you want to hit enter. Let this run for a couple minutes. Please note if you get any red text, it's no big deal. It might just be a running or active process in the background. So just let this go for a couple minutes and I will jump back in with an iteration once this is done, and we'll move on with the tutorial. Okay, so once you have a blinking cursor next to System32, that means we're done. So you can close out of here. Would recommend you guys restart your computer, try and open up the store again and see if the issue's been resolved. If it hasn't, I will have a link in the description of the video for a Microsoft troubleshooting page. You guys are welcome to use the utility I'm going to have on there. And hopefully one of those methods should resolve the issue for you guys. So as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.